I'm sure you've heard the news about AI taking over, but did you know it can also fill up your wallet? Yep, you heard right. Let's find out how. First off, let's talk chatbots. From customer service to selling products, AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Replika are like having a 24/7 sales team without the overtime pay. Just set it up, let it chat, and watch the cash roll in. Next up, personalized ads. By using AI to analyze data, you can create ads so targeted they might as well hand-deliver themselves. Tools like Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager are leading the way. More relevance, more clicks, more cha-ching. And don't forget content creation. From writing articles to creating videos, AI tools like Jasper and Lumen 5 can help pump out content faster than you can say deadline. This means more content, more traffic, and yes, more revenue. Last but not least, AI-driven market analysis. This smart tech can predict market trends and consumer behavior. Think of tools like IBM Watson and Salesforce Einstein. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they do. Now that's smart business. So, ready to turn your AI into your ATM? Dive in, the digital gold rush is just beginning.